Chào các bạn. It's your boy Ken and Brian. We back in this beach, you know what I'm saying? But I've been we're changing the bulb. So there are a few things that kind of bothered me a little bit with these new trucks, which I think should be from factory, that they change the LED lights. We're going to change the reverse lights, and then finally under here we're going to be changing the license plate lights. I know there's more lights, but that's all that matters to me for my truck. So the same process applies to the other lights if you want to change it too. But for the most part, we're going to be changing just the white lights, because I like that really nice crisp light, the white light. Yeah. Not that murky yellow looking light, and you can't really see anything at night with that. I bought this one from eBay from Oxido, global supplier for automotive LED lights. They're very specific, so this one says only used for backup reverse lights, fits these sockets. So obviously we've already changed one kind of to see how it works. So here's the difference between the two bulbs. The LED one, incandescent. So here's the differences. They don't look that much different in size, but it is a hell of a lot difference in lighting. So we finished off this side, so we're gonna go on to this side. So we got the whole kit here, and we took off this one. There was just these two, and then what is the little pop socket things?
They're like two little nubs.
You just pop them out, and it's pretty simple. And that's just 4 points that it's kind of attached in there. I get you now. Ryan, stop.
You're the one that did that.
Nó đâu biết. Ok, làm nó xong hai cái. Thì bây giờ mình kéo ra. Kéo ra thẳng mà.
Yeah.
Ok.
Kéo bên trên trước.
Trên á.
Kéo ở dưới sau.
Sau.
That's one.
That's how you do it. Oi. I'm gonna put it in the video. Alright guys, so once you kind of open that thing up, you'll have three of them. So the top and the bottom one are going to be the brake lights / signal lights. And the center one is going to be the reverse light. So you're just going to twist it. And then that's how it looks like. And we just replace it with the other bulb, which is under the screwdriver. Looks just like that. The same one from earlier. You just pop that thing back in. And then
before we put it in, we want to test to make sure that the bulb will flash, because these are polar specific, and you could see that side is on, but this side isn't. But in the event where it doesn't turn on, you just need to pull it out, turn it 180 degrees, place it in, and it will flash.
In addition to the reverse lights, we're going to also be doing the license plate lights. It should be a very similar process for most trucks. No tools needed really. It's basically just twist off and then plug in, simple plug and play. Today we are going to be using the 168/194 bulb. If you're wondering what the difference is, looking at a specific bulb, AutoZone has this sometimes, and like Walmart, there are separate bulbs sometimes, because although they're interchangeable by using the same wedge, 194 should use a few more wattages, making it brighter theoretically. How much brighter? I'm not too sure, but 194 should be technically a little bit brighter. Here are the differences between the two. It is not that much different in size. A lot of them are very cheap. You can get the whole set for just maybe a few bucks. And it comes with a lot of them because you can use them for a lot of things. And again, you can use these for sure on many different vehicles. So don't feel bad for buying a whole bunch of these. You will probably need to use these later down the road for some reason. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so you just look right under the license plates on the side, and there is this little knob with the wire. All you want to do is you twist it counterclockwise like that. It should pop out. Remove the old bulb and then put in the LED bulb like that, and you should see that you can just put it right back and just twist it clockwise and you're set. Hopefully I will get the third brake lights in very soon. This is one of the first projects that I will be doing for the Silverado. I can think of at least 10 things that I can do right now for the truck. So please stay tuned. I will definitely have more videos for the Silverado coming up. For sure, one that I have to do is some tires. I am running the stock Texas Edition rims, the 20-inch rims. But those tires on there are rated for like 70,000 miles, but this truck only has like 30 something, and it's barely half the life of the vehicle, but it's already getting kind of bald. So I'm kind of concerned with these tires. I might have to get some new ones on pretty soon. And I do have the current 33s right now I have sitting over there from my last setup on the Tacoma, the Yokohama MT, the 33 1250s on the Field Maverick. So hopefully I'm able to put that on pretty soon, but I might have to do a lift. I'm probably gonna do a lift, so y'all look out for that too. You know, it is hurricane season in Houston, and it's gonna flood, so I'm probably gonna have to do it pretty soon, just in case, just in case. And I'm probably gonna have to do it because it is going to be raining a lot, and definitely do not want some bald tires in the rain. You can easily hydroplane. Going to have that up pretty soon, sometime within this month. Definitely sometime within this month. And I'm going to help you guys out with another video, with a tire video, probably tire sizes and just general tire information for you guys that really want to get into off-roading. Again, I'm going to let you guys go, but other than that, thank you so much for watching. I'm having a lot of ideas for videos right now. I am hopefully going to make a lot more. I am reaching 30,000 miles around there on this truck, so I will definitely have a 30,000 mile review video as well in the near future for Silverado, 2017 Silverado. Comment if you have any questions, subscribe, and hit the notifications for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.